about basic friction and wear, calculations doon. And as you can see, lahat ng assessments natin, midterms, finals, and board works, naka-plot yan, 50 points for ILO 1. Then ILO 2, analyze effective bearing lubrication systems and design. Dito naman will be solving for the appropriate lubrication system ng isang design as well as design ng bearing, life ng bearing capacity. So doon natin i-analyze siya dito sa ILO 2. And as you can see, half din ng mga assessments ay naka-plot sa ILO 2. Then yung ILO 3, evaluate appropriate friction measurements. Dito, you will be doing a research project wherein I'm still thinking of what's gonna be the topic, pero most likely i-evaluate nyo ang isang design ng engine, then uh, yon, i-evaluate nyo yung design ng engine, then you have to solve and remodel yung engine kung paano siya mai-improve based sa mga concepts na i-discuss natin. So, yun. And yun, dun naka-plot yung pinaka-final project natin, which is 100%. Then, yun, textbooks natin, this two ang pinaka-reference natin, Applied Tribology and Introduction to Tribology. But sa subject natin, I'm informing you na meron pong manual ang elective 1. May manual po ang elective 1 and dadating siya most likely next week ng Saturday. And kaya need ma-settle yung payment nun by week 3 Monday. So sa class rep na lang kung may nakikisitin dito ang section 1 or section section 1 or section 6, kung may nakikisitin ngayon, na-announce ko na din siya kanina sa mga nakisitin kanina, yon. There will be a manual or may manual sadya ang elective 1. And that costs 250 pesos po. So, class rep, paki paki take charge na lang ulit sa pangongolekta nun. And yun, tinatanong ko pa rin kung GCash siya or cash. Hindi ko din alam. Ay, tatanong ko pa kung ano yung preferred method ni Ma'am Tin. Yun. Since si Ma'am Tin yung mag-aayos nun. So, yun. Basta may manual tayo, pa-settle na lang siya before week 3 Monday. Yun. And ngayon pa lang, sinasabi ko na pala na sinong taga-GCH dito? Sinong taga-GCH dito? I mean, sige, ganito na lang, bahala na kayo kung sinong gustong mag-volunteer or mag-decide. Since kapag dumating yung manual, since hindi siya pwedeng ilagay sa faculty kasi sobrang daming gamit doon, ipapa-drop off ko kung sino man yung mag-volunteer sa section nyo, ipapa-drop off ko doon yung mga manual nyo. Then, doon nyo na lang kuhanin kung kanino siya pwedeng ipa-drop off. And kung sino man yung mag-volunteer or kung sino man yung mag-asikaso nun for the section, ay exempted. It's either sa board work 1 or quiz 1 or board work 2 or quiz 2 or may plus 20 sa major exam. Depende yon sa kung anong trip nyo, kung sinong mag-aasikaso nun once dumating. Yun lang as incentive sa magvo-volunteer. So, kayo na mag-coordinate sa akin. Sabihin na lang sa akin ng class rep kung kanino, i-coordinate na lang sa akin. Basta i-drop off siya doon. Then, hindi kung may tutulong sa iyo, no, syempre bubuhatin 'yon. Kung sino man ang kung syempre kung yung mga magbubuhat noon, okay na siguro 3, 2. Exempted din sila. Basta make sure na tinulungan talaga yung nag-asikaso nun kung saan man siya i-drop off. Basta exempted. Basta exempted. Sabihin sa akin kung saan nila gusto ma-exempt. And pagdating sa assessment pala, I just want to let you know din na ito yung mga weights niya, 25 for midterms, 25% for finals, board works and quizzes. Board works is 15%, quizzes is 15%, then final project is 20%. Pagdating sa midterms at finals, lahat ng tanong dito ay analysis, lahat ay calculation, lahat ay derivation ng mga formulas. Yon yung exam. Pag major exam, lahat calculation, lahat derivation. Then, pagdating sa board works is like a problem set. Siya ay calculations din, pero hindi sobrang dami. Calculations din yan, ang board works. Then, ang quiz ay lahat ay terms, concepts, and terminologies. Lahat yun ay terms. Again, pag board work, calculation din, pero pagdating sa quiz, siya ay terms lahat. Over 100 yon, parehong over 100. Yun yung pinagkaiba ng mga assessments natin. So, yun. Then, na hindi natin need yan. Ito, yun, since mga naging estudyante ko na naman kayo, you know na hindi na pwede magbigay ng INC when you receive a grade of 70 to 74. You will still receive a blank grade muna and you will comply with the removal exam, and from there you will be able to know if, or I will be deciding if you are going to be passing or failing the subject. Yon. Then I will not be giving any special exams sa quiz or sa board works. Ibig sabihin ko, kung deadline ng board works ngayon at hindi ka nakapagpasa, automatic zero yon. Automatic zero. Pag, for example, may quiz tayo, since kayo yung pinakahuling mag-e-elective for the week, Friday ng hanggang 5. So kung kayo ay hindi makakapasok sa time ng quiz natin, dapat makapag-quiz kayo from Monday to Thursday. Doon lang kayo pwedeng mag-quiz kasi after ng week na yon, sa week 8, doon nakaplat yung quiz natin. Kung hindi kayo makakapag-quiz doon, any schedule ko sa elective, then zero na yon. So, yun, syempre, medyo disadvantage sa inyo yon kasi kayo yung pinaka-last. So, wala na kayong mahahabol na pwedeng attendance sa sunod na araw for elective. So, it's either sa paon na nyo siya iti-take. Yun, basta yun, hindi ako magbibigay ng special exam for board works and quizzes. Pero sa major exams, given that you have a valid reason, uh, papayagan ko na magkaroon ng special exam given that you have the valid reason and kung medical concern man yan, you should provide a medical certificate. Then, class policy, attendance, still, bawal lumampas ng 2 meetings, that's 10% of the maximum number of hours, 3.6 hours. So, bawal umabsent ng 2 meetings kasi subject to failure, again yon. And then academic dishonesty, hindi ako nananamsam ng papel, hindi ako namumulit ng papel. Pero you know that I always release scores, especially that ngayon handle ko ulit lahat ng sections. Hindi nagre-release ako palagi ng scores kaagad, and kung nag-cheat kayo, at hindi ko naman sasabihin sa inyo na nahuli ko kayo, pero makikita nyo doon na zero na yung score nyo kapag nag-release ako ng scores. Kahit na alam nyo may naisagot kayo, pero nag-cheat ka at hindi mo naman alam na nahuli kita at ziniro kita doon, wala kang chance magreklamo. Kasi yon, hindi kita ipapahiya, pero alam mo sa sarili mo nag-cheat ka kaya zero yung score mo. Yon. And then dropping, sorry guys, let's extend ng mga 5 minutes lang. Patapos na naman 'to. Dropping, syempre alam niyo na rin naman 'to. If you feel like this subject is going to be a burden to you or not healthy to you, just let me know. Let's talk things muna bago kayo mag-drop. Pero if hindi talaga kaya, then you can. But just do it before the midterms exam. Yon. And then, topics natin. Topic 1, fundamentals of friction and wear. This is most likely, yung mga calculations dito ay a review of your statics lessons. So yan. Then topic 2, lubricants and engine oil. We'll be discussing here the different properties of lubricants and engine oils. We'll be solving for them, their densities, their specific gravities, their specific heat capacity, their degree API. So isosolve natin yan. And then we'll also be discussing the different types of lubricants and engine oil. Then, after ng discussion noon, ibibigay ko ang board work. Yung unang part ng board work 1, ibibigay ko. Then, topic 3 is elements of bearing lubrication and design. We'll be discussing here different types of bearing, bearing classification, bearing design, bearing capacity, bearing pressure, and life of bearing. Yun, i-discuss natin yan dito. Then, deadline ng submission ng board work 1 is on week 8. Then week 8 din ang quiz 1. Again, ang quiz 1 ay puro terms, puro concepts. Then midterms exam is going to be on week 9. Then topic 4 is engine lubrication systems. Ito yung pinakamahabang topic natin. Dito will be dealing all of the calculations of different types of lubrication systems. Saan siya gagamiting engine, yung ganong lubrication systems, ano yung appropriate na lubrication systems dito sa engine na to. Then we'll also be discussing Petlov's equation, Sommerfeld number, bearing characteristic number, coefficient of friction variable number, and iba't ibang types of lubrication pressure. So, i-discuss natin lahat yon dito. And sobrang dami ditong formulas. So, yun. Then, topic 5, engine friction and modeling. We'll be discussing here different frictions, different kinds of friction na nag-o-occur sa different manufacturing processes like rolling, drawing, extrusion, forging, then more concepts dito and basic sample problems lang. Then topic 6, the last topic is surface and engine friction. Dito naman mga calculation dito will be based on graphs. Magagraph muna kayo, magagraph kayo to know which part ng engine yung nakaka-experience ng most friction, pinakamaagang magfe-fail. Most likely, this topic is also a topic of you kung nagtitake man kayo ng materials engineering. So, yun. Then, week 17, no, since may mga recitation dito na naka-plot na hindi naman natin siya gagawin, mamomove siya. Ang magiging mangyayari by week 16 is the presentation of your final project. Week 16, hindi, week 15. Week 15 is going to be your presentation of your final project. Yon ay face-to-face. So, papasok kayo kahit week. Then, week 16 is your quiz number 2 and deadline ng board work number 2. Then, week 17 is finals exam. Week 18 is going to be your removals exam. Kung may magre-removals. Yon. And then, I think that's it. Yun na yun. Again, yun lang yung tatandaan nyo. Week 8, deadline ng board work 1 at saka quiz 1. Week 15, presentation ng final project to. Dito yan, mali, dapat nandito yung X niyan. Basta week 15, presentation ng final project. Week 16 is quiz. Week 17 ay finals exam. Week 18, removals exam. And then, yun. And then next week, please take note of this. Next week, kindly bring 1/8 index card. 1/8 index card with your name, section, address, and contact number. Name, hindi, ano na lang, name, address, contact number, guardian, at guardian's contact number. Yon. Then, you have to attach a picture of you on the upper right. Yon. Need yon sa face-to-face natin next week. And, ano pang need natin? Yon, ang setup natin, kapag face-to-face ang klase natin, lahat ay calculations ang i-discuss natin. Pag online, concepts and terminologies ang i-discuss natin. So, ganun yung magiging setup natin for the whole semester. Again, pag face-to-face calculations yon, pag online, terminologies and concepts. So, yun lang yung sa syllabus. And, yun. Hanggang doon lang yung discussion natin. So, do you have any concerns, questions, clarifications? Regarding sa schedule pala, final na tong schedule natin. Kung may conflict man, I will allow you to sit in with other sections. Pero, naayos na to kanina. So, kung may magkaka-conflict man, makisit in na lang kayo kasi hindi na to mababago sa end ko. Yun lang naman. So, sino may tanong? Questions, concerns, clarifications? Ah okey lang na hindi ka bumili ng manual pero, iba yung manual ngayon sa manual last year. Yun, iba siya. So kung choice mo naman kung hindi ka bibili ngayon, basta kasi ang yung manual na binigay ng department ngayon is iba siya nung sa last year. Kasi yung sa last year is, ah, puro PowerPoint kung di ako nagkakamali, puro PowerPoint yun na pinrint. Ngayon is discussion siya, discussion yung, manual parang naka-present sa book, yun. Sino pa may concern? Questions, clarifications? Meron ba akong nakalimutang i-announce? Hmm, sige, I think yun lang naman. Meron pa. Class rep again, since, naging estudyante na naman kita, ganun ulit, yung gagawin. Ah, 'Pag online class, you provide me a link of a Google Drive folder. Pagkatapos ko mag-attendance, magsi-screenshot tayo. Then during the discussion, magsi-screenshot ka ulit. Then bago ako mag-dismiss, magsi-screenshot ka ulit. Then ilagay mo siya dun sa folder. Then yun, basta i-send mo sa'kin yung link. Iko-compile mo lang dun yung attendance. Yun. Ano pang na-miss kong discussion? I think that's it na. Yun, hanggang dun lang. So, kung wala kayong clarifications, kung may follow-up man akong announcement, I'll relay it to your class rep. So, yun. I think that's it for today. Thank you for attending the class. See you next week. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you po.
Thank you po,
Thank you
sir.
po, sir.
Thank you po, sir.
Sir, excuse po sir. Sir, may klase po tayo sa EHIS transfer.
Meron.